Hi there, welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel more efficiently. I've created a short video tutorial to show you the best way to hide grid lines in your Excel spreadsheets, either across the entire file or in a specific area. Let's get started. To hide grid lines across the entire spreadsheet, go to the View tab and uncheck the Grid Lines option in the Show section. The grid lines are removed from the entire spreadsheet, resulting in a neat and tidy appearance. If you would like to see the grid lines in your sheet, you can easily turn them on by selecting the Grid Lines option. This will help you find your way more easily around the cells. If you need to remove grid lines only in a certain area of the spreadsheet, you can easily do so. This helpful suggestion will be successful in achieving the desired result. If we would like to remove the grid lines from the data table, we can do so. We do this by changing the background color of an area of the table, go to the Home tab, select the desired area, and then use the Fill Color function to make the background color white. We are now able to see the area we selected without any grid lines. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.